It doesn't look much from the front, but this might be the most powerful Android phone you have ever heard of. This is the Vivo X200 Ultra, a phone with a massive 600 mAh battery, a dedicated camera shutter button, and one of the most advanced photography systems ever put in any smartphone, till this day. We are breaking down whether this phone deserves a spot in your pocket or not. Let's get into it. We can tell a lot about a phone the moment you hold it. Vivo X200 Ultra is well put together, with a satin-made glass back that resists fingerprints and catches light subtly. It's 229 grams, nearly 9mm thick, and although that sounds chunky, the curved edges soften the feel. You also get IP68 and 69 ratings, which means strong protection against both water and dust. Every time you turn the Vivo X200 Ultra on, it looks good. The 6.82-inch AMOLED display here is stunning, with a sharp 2K resolution, 120Hz LTPO refresh rate, and peak brightness of 4500 nits. It looks incredible in any light. Colors are vivid but accurate thanks to full DC IP3 coverage and supports for Dolby Vision and HDR Vivid. Whether you are streaming, scrolling or gaming, the screen feels fluid, sharp and easily one of the best in its class. Now, let's talk about the features you use all the time: unlocking your phone, navigate through apps and taking photos. The X200 Ultra includes a fast ultrasonic fingerprint sensor and an equally responsive face unlock. Inside the X200 Ultra, you're getting some of the best hardware available right now. It runs on a Snapdragon 8 Elite, paired with 16GB of fast LPDDR5 XRAM and 1TB of storage using the latest UFS 4.1 tech. In day-to-day use, the phone feels quick, apps open instantly, multitasking smooth, and even heavier games run at high frame rates without stuttering. It's running Android 15 with Origin OS on top, and everything feels fluid from the moment you pick it up. Even after long gaming sessions or video use, like an hour of gaming or video capture, the thermal management keeps the phone comfortably cool. With the Vivo X200 Ultra, you won't be reaching for the charger by lunchtime. It packs a large 6000 mAh battery, which easily lasts a full day. Even with heavy use, and when you do need to charge it, it takes less time than your lunch break. 90 watts with this cable and 40 watts wirelessly, and yes, the charger actually comes in box. The phone also uses a more efficient display and chip, so it's not just about big capacity, it's smart, reliable battery life overall. Sometimes phones lean heavily into performance or design, but the Vivo X200 Ultra is clearly built with photography in mind. On the back, it has three main cameras: a 50-megapixel main sensor for everyday shots, another 50-megapixel lens for wide-angle scenes, and a massive 200-megapixel telephoto lens that helps you zoom in without losing detail. On the front, there's a 50-megapixel selfie camera, and image quality is sharp and across the board. This kind of setup gives you the freedom to shoot what you want, when you want, whether it's a beautiful memory or a stunning landscape. You can also shoot smooth 4K video at up to 120 frames per second, and there are some thoughtful extras too, like a physical shutter button, special filters for street photography, and even a mode just for capturing the mood. Compared to the X200 Pro, the Ultra adds slightly better sensors, a more powerful zoom system, and a few extra camera features, making it the more complete option if photography is your priority.
Okay, this is 4K 30 FPS front selfie camera, handheld footage. Also you can judge the microphone quality, how good it is, the sound, with the selfie camera, and obviously with the microphone, the Vivo X200 Ultra. Beautiful, guys, beautiful. Let's go next.
Other than that, all the essentials are here: 5G network, fast Wi-Fi 7, Android Auto, eSIM and Bluetooth 5.4. The speakers are stereo, so you get decent sound. On the software side, it runs Origin OS, which feels fast and smooth, with a lot of ways to customize how your phone looks and works.
All die Fehler, eines Tages würde ich sie bezahlen. Doch ich war kurzsichtig, dachte nicht an morgen. Suchte einen Ausweg und betäubte meine Sorgen.
If photography matters to you and you are looking for something different from the usual flagship, the X200 Ultra is a strong pick. Check it out for yourself using the link in the description. You might actually end up loving it. That's all for today. Thank you for watching Techitopia and see you in the next episode. مع السلامة.